Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mwaka the Wifepreneur. If you're new here, you're most welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my old tribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways in which you can use Instagram Reels for your business. By business, I mean any type of business, digital, physical, any type of business. This works perfect for it. So this video is for you if you have a business that is running, you have a small following, or you just want to reach more audience. And also this video is for you if you're new to Reels, if you're new to Instagram, you don't know how to use Reels, how they can benefit your business. So I'm going to share with you all these 3 ways that you can grow your audience, that you can make sales, that you can reach more audience for your Instagram page. With that being said, let's get into the video. Welcome back. So the first way that you can use Reels for your Instagram is to create authentic content. This is the great opportunity for you as your business, for you as an entrepreneur, for you as an organization, whatever it is, to showcase the human side of your business than the perfect pictures that we see on your website, the perfect pictures that we see on your Instagram, the perfect pictures that we see on your YouTube channel. And this will help you grow a community that is genuine. You can do so by showcasing maybe behind the scenes of your production. If you're a YouTuber, you could show behind the scenes of how you do your recording, how you prep, how you record, how you go into your makeup before you come in front of the camera. And maybe if you're an entrepreneur who sells lipsticks, you can show the part where you package, how you send out your orders, how you brand, how you do everything for your business. So this is a great way to show us that you're just a human just like us. People want to follow people, not robots. So make sure that whatever you're doing as an organization, big or small, share it with your followers. They'll really appreciate it, and you'll be so surprised by the amount of support you receive from your followers. That being said, we move on to the 3rd way that you can use Reels for your business. And this is to share educational content. Educational content is tips, is how-to videos, is hacks videos, just anything that can benefit or that you can teach your followers. This will position you as an expert in that specific field. So whenever people want to know about XY, they know, oh no, Mwaka is the one that always share information about XY. So they'll quickly run to your page other than going searching, looking for answers in so many places. They'll just know that if you want to learn about YouTube, go to Mwaka's page. That's where you're going to get your tips. That's where you're going to get your tutorials. That's where you're going to get your hacks. That's where you're going to get anything regarding YouTube. So people get to trust you. People get to come back for more. So that is number 2. The 3rd way to use Reels for your Instagram business is to showcase a product, to showcase your product as a business, or a good way for your brand awareness, because Reels, they can really go viral really fast. So if you're using if you're showcasing a product from your page, people will be able to, they'll go back to the page where the reel is coming from, which is your page, and they'll be able to follow, they'll be able to buy from there, they'll be able to ask questions. You'll be able to make sales to a lot of people than you expect. So showcasing a product, like, and gave an example earlier of if you are a lipstick distributor or you're an entrepreneur selling lipsticks, this is the part where you can review the lipstick. You show us the product, how the lipstick make you look, or the shades of that lipstick, how many shades does it have, and so forth. So this is a great way to sell out. It's more like a free advert. Actually, it's a free advert that you don't get to pay for. Remember, years from last year and other years, you need to pay, you had to pay, you put your credit card, you pay to make adverts. But now this is a good way to save money. You just review a product, you put it as a reel on your page, you put it on your feed, you put it in your stories. Let also include the reel remix so that people can make remix on that reel. If it's really interesting, a lot of people are going to make a remix and also give results or give reviews, or you can ask, or you can also ask the people that are going to buy that specific product. If it's a lipstick, when the person purchases it, they go and make a remix of the original reel, showcasing how them as customers have loved the lipstick or whatever they want to share with it. So it's a good way to maximize, you know, Instagram, and also reach a good audience and make great sales. So guys, those are the 3 ways that you can use Instagram Reels for your business. Let me know if this was new to. Also, let me know which one you're gonna use, which one seems to be easier and best for your business. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Please, let's do the right thing. COVID is real. Wash your hands, put on a mask, sanitize, whatever you need to do, please. I'll see you in my next one. Take care.